The CEO of the India-based e-commerce platform Duukan, Sumit Shah, revealed that 90% of the company's support staff had been replaced with an AI chatbot. Touting the benefits of this transformative decision, Shah underscored a massive 85% reduction in customer support costs and a vastly improved response time. Historically, the realm of customer support across industries often rely on scripted, pre-formulated responses. These copy-paste jobs, as they came to be colloquially known, became a staple for handling a vast range of customers. Shah, in a recent interview with the Washington Post, proclaimed the end of such jobs, emphasizing the advantages of AI-driven chatbots. He stated, "That job is gone. 100%, shedding light on the rapid pace at which automation is taking over." The Duukan case became even more notable when Shah took to social media, specifically on X, formerly known as Twitter, announcing the layoff of the majority of his support staff in favor of AI. The post quickly went viral, drawing a myriad of reactions, from appreciation for technological adoption to criticisms concerning the manner of the announcement.